Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Pinterest history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up the Pinterest application. Tap on the Save button which is right next to notification icon. Select the setting icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then on the Settings option, tap on Privacy and Data. Scroll down and tap on Clear App Cache. And this is how you can clear Pinterest history. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.